And now, your local on the 8th.
A severe thunderstorm watch, a dust storm warning, and an excessive heat warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 110 degrees under partly cloudy skies. For today, thunderstorms. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 114. Chance of rain 60%. For tonight, thunderstorms ending early. Windy, locally strong thunderstorm winds with blowing dust. Low 86. Chance of rain 60%. On Monday, a mix of clouds and sun. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 109. Winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.